Notion is an $11 billion productivity company. So why does the mobile app feel like nobody's looking after it? People are venting on Reddit, the comments are stacking up, and the same bugs are hitting iPhone and Android users at the same time. The thing is, this isn't a one off, it's a pattern. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Here's the interesting bit: the bugs aren't platform specific. iPhone users report the app freezing after 4 or 5 taps. Pixel users say the exact same thing. Copy and paste fails. Switching back from another app gives you a blank screen. Spell check is a coin flip. When the same bug hits both platforms on the same day, that tells you it's not iOS or Android. It's the app itself. Now, here's where it gets good. Notion's bet is AI. So the Ask AI input bar has taken over the entire bottom nav on mobile. The home button is gone. The back arrows being shoved into the top left corner, completely out of some reach. The mobile UI is being redesigned around a feature that, by the user's own admission, can't even help them with their actual problems. The Reddit thread that kicked this off hit 265 upvotes in a few days. Top reply, 67 upvotes. Wondering whether anyone at Notion actually uses the mobile app for anything. Another one: I can take 4 or 5 actions before it freezes, and the kicker: I don't think I've ever seen a positive comment about the mobile app. So what do you do? Honestly, treat Notion mobile as quick capture only. Voice memo, fast note. Dump it in. Anything serious, writing, editing, organising, do it on the desktop or web app. Mobile isn't being maintained, it's being repositioned around AI, and if you hit a real bug, report it. The team does listen. Just don't expect a fix this week.